Hi, hello, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Thank you for watching our videos. Thanks for giving continuous support to us. Today we are going to learn about choose formula. What is the choose formula? The formula name is choose. This is the advanced formula. This is the advanced formula. So I'm giving one example. We have the data, one master data available, code and color, 1, 2, 3 code. We have the color red, yellow, green. Okay. Now you want to have the data lookup. We want to look up the data. If it is lookup data, the master data is available mean we can use VLOOKUP. So we can use VLOOKUP, lookup value, code, lookup table, and then column index number. What is the column index number? Second column, exact match. Now you will get the answer. Suppose if you want to get all this, you will have to get the dollar symbol and drop and down. You will get answer for this. This is the VLOOKUP formula. Normally we have seen lot of videos for VLOOKUP formula. This is the VLOOKUP formula. Instead of using VLOOKUP, we can use choose formula. What is the difference between the choose formula? So we should understand what is choose formula. Choose, what is the syntax is asking? Index number. So what is the index number mean? What is the lookup value? That is called index number. So lookup value is this 1. Okay. What is the value? If it is 1 mean, what is the value? So instead of selecting the entire data, we can get the name red, yellow. There are only 3 kind of data. Small data. If it is a small data, we can use open the apostrophe red, or you can use the small letter also red, comma, green. You can use manually yellow. No, we have to give the proper 2 mean yellow, 3 mean green. This is the order. 1, 2, 3. This is the order. Now, if you type red, so no need to make any dollar symbol, anything, you just copy paste. This is the choose formula. So instead of using VLOOKUP, we can use choose formula also. This is the advanced formula. We can mention the red, yellow. You can ask me, sir, suppose if the data is deleting, if you deleted the data, what will happen in VLOOKUP? You will not get anything because the master data is deleted. But based on the master data, we have given the manually red, yellow, green mean we can get the actual data. So if it is the master data deleted, there is no problem for us. So we can use choose formula in this kind of situation. You have the master data, you don't want to keep the master data. Suppose you are ready to ignore the data. Suppose if you are ready to ignore the data mean you can use choose formula, you can use manual formulas. Red, yellow, green mean. Number one, red. It is what is the meaning of 1, 2, 3 red and yellow? If it is 1 mean the result is red. If it is 2 mean yellow. If it is 3 mean green. Suppose I am increasing one color. I'm giving one example. I'm increasing 4. What is the another color? You can give violet. I'm just telling you. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to select the data and then do everything. For choose formula, you just increase 1 because 1 is for red, 2 is for 3, 2 is for yellow, 3 is for green, 4 is for violet. So you have to create like this. Now you will get answer. But there is no 4. There is no number for 4. Suppose if you type 4 mean, you will get violet. But in VLOOKUP, you will get error. Wherever your number is changing, suppose you are changing the number, your result will be changing. Suppose you are changing 4 mean, your result will be changing. So this is the choose formula. Okay, now I am giving little bit complex formula. Suppose I am giving example all the 10 kind of banks, State Bank, ICICI, HDFC, all the banks having separate core score. Now you want to give the rating. If it is 1 for excellent, 2 for good, 3 for okay, 4 means poor, if it is 5 means worst. So what is the rank? So we can use VLOOKUP here also, index value, and then column index number is 2, exact match. You will get answer. Now you will get dollar symbol. You can drop one down. Clear? Now what is the formula? This is the VLOOKUP formula. Now in the same case, we can use choose formula. Choose choose formula. What is the index number? This is a score. We can type like this. 1 mean excellent. Close the apostrophe. 2 mean good. 3 mean okay. 4 mean poor. 5 mean worst. Close the bracket. So if you drop and down, the same answer will be given. This is the choose formula. Now you can ask me, sir, if we have the data, multiple data, 5, 10 data, every time we have to type, no, it is very difficult. It is very difficult. So instead of typing this, you can use, please listen carefully, choose, select the data, and then press control key using by mouse. Control, excellent, and good, and okay, and poor, and worst. Please see friends, I am not given the comma, but comma is given automatically. Close the bracket. Now you can get the same answer. If you want to drop down, you can use dollar symbol here, because the data will be changing. Once we give the manual data, we have to give the dollar symbol. So this is the formula. This is the choose formula. I'm giving, this is the choose formula. So what is the difference between this choose formula and this choose formula? In normally choose formula, we can give the name manually. If you give the name manually, if the data is deleted, no problem. The manual data will be helpful to you. You can select, you can decide whatever you want. If the data is deleted, you will not get any problem because you have not given any selection manually. You will get type manually. That is why you will get the answer. Suppose you don't want to delete any time. You don't want to delete the master at any cost. So we can use VLOOKUP, or we can use choose formula by linking the data. If you have multiple data, mean suppose I am giving another 4 5 numbers up to 10. So after 5 everything will be worst, suppose. So if you want to add, mean you just add, control, that's all. I am not given any comma. Please listen friends. I have not given any commas and all. I just add, and then add, automatically comma will be done. I have not given any commas. So just to close the bracket, that's all. Now if you want to use it for all, you can use the dollar symbol manually. Now you can drop down. Okay, the formula will be extended. Suppose you are changing the, suppose your number is 10, worst. Every formula will be wrong, but this formula will be working. Suppose if you are using 9, worst. If you are using 8, worst. If you are using 4, poor. So this is the choose formula. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. This is really useful formulas, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.